everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see your tutorial 4 of applied mathematics first year engineering mathematics. So here is a solution from the question number 1 to 8. In this video I have shown in the form of PDF, like scrolling the PDF basically. But if you want the full length PDF directly access from the Google Drive and all, so tell me in the comment section. I will provide you the link in comment section, or you can take a screenshot from there, or otherwise pause the video and write it down. So in this we are using that maxima minima concept and have solved the equation and also use partial differentiation concept on applying the partial derivative. Okay, so this is the question number 8, last one. Yeah, so this is the end of your tutorial 4. I hope today in this video I didn't have explain. For explanation, if you want, so I will make on it for the separate video. Tell me in the comment section. And this is the overview of your tutorial 4. So write it down in your assignment page 2 side rule. This is of VSET College, that is of Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so I hope you like the video. So do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Take care and goodbye.